I want today our discussion 2014 limits. 2014 A level limits. Right? Let's try. Limits x goes to 0. Limits when x goes to 0. Right? X goes to 0. Tan square 2x. Tan square 2x. Divide x into 1 minus root 1 plus x. X into 1 minus root 1 plus x. Right? First we have imagine calculation. One is when x equals 0, right? When x equals 0, tan square x equals 0, right? When x equals 0, this x 0, and this one 1 and 1 minus 1 also 0. Everything 0. Upside 0, downside 0. Everything 0. Therefore we have limits. If it is not, we can take the answer very easily, right? Then we have question. Because of that, numerator and denominator both on 0, right? Right. We have to plan, right? What is the plan? We have two theories, no? One is trig theory. Limits x theta goes to 0, sine theta divided by theta equal 1. That is one theory, right? Another one, tan theta equal sin theta divided by cos theta. Why? Our theories go with sine, but our question says tan. Then we have to divide two parts, sine and cos, right? We know that cos 0 is 1, right? We know that, right? Let's try to divide two parts here, right? Like that. Limit x goes to 0, sine square 2x divide cos square 2x into x 1 minus root 1 plus x, right? That is finished, right? Next line, this cos square 2x. Limit x goes to 0, 1 over cos square 2x into, right? Into limits x goes to 0, sine square 2x divide x into 1 minus root 1 plus x, right? You know that conjugate. What is that? A square minus b square equal a minus b, a plus b, right? Then we have to take the conjugate of this one, 1 plus here minus, no, 1 plus root 1 plus x. Then we can remove that root, right? That root, we can remove that root, right? That method. Therefore, multiply it, right? What is that? 1 plus root 1 plus x. 1 plus root 1 plus x. Right? Here a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. This is algebraic method, no? Right? Algebraic method, right? This question is limits, but we have algebraic method, trig method, everything, right? Right. Now we know that here cos 0 is 1, therefore that is 1, right? Cos 0 is 1, therefore that is 1. Again, limit x goes to 0, what is that? Sin square 2x into 1 plus root 1 plus x and divide x into 2 of these. What is that? A square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Now we can write a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square, 1 square minus root 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus x, right? Now you can cut both one here, this one and this one, you can cut and separate both one, right? And separate both one. What is that? This minus and these things, right? Limits x goes to 0, 1 plus root 1 plus x, divide minus 1, I take minus 1 other side, right? Again multiplied, limit x goes to 0, sin square x, not x, 2x, divide x square, right? Take the theory, limit theta goes to 0, sin theta divided by theta goes to 1, okay? That is goes to 1. Why? Here 2x, but here is x square, and here x. All three different, right? Then we have to equal of that. Here 2x, no? What is the square of that? 4. Because of that, here sin square x, then 2x, and here we can write 2x and 4, and I go to that 4 here, or here, same thing, right? But we have another problem here, x, right? In the past paper, right? In the past paper book, not convert to this one, but your new syllabus, you have to convert, right? Convert 2x into another variable, right? You have to convert for everything, right? In your syllabus, this is the 2014, but that syllabus not mention of that, right? But your syllabus, you have to convert, right? That is the method, right? How to convert that? Okay. And equal, what is that? This one, 1 plus 0, no? 1 plus 1 divide minus 1 into, we can take 4 outside, and we can take limit x goes to 0 sine 2x and 2x here is square, all is square here, right? Sine 2x and 2x, right? I take the square, right? Take the complete square, right? Here separate squares here, no, right? Here, I take the complete square, right? But we have another problem here, right? Let theta equal 2x, let theta equal 2x, right? If x goes to 0, then theta goes to 0. Let theta equals 2x. If x goes to 0, then theta goes to 0, right? Therefore, here minus 2, here 2, and here 4, and minus 8, right? Here totally minus 8, here 2, and into 4, 2 into 4, 8, and divide minus 1. Here minus 8, right? Here minus 8. And what about this one? Limit theta goes to 0 sine theta divided by theta and square, right? And square. Now you have answer. Minus 8 into 1 square and equal minus 8. That is the answer, right? I'm using so many lines because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something, but you can using 4 lines, right? Because of that that paper have only a very small space, right? Then you can combine 2 of these line, right? You can combine, right? And these 2 line you can combine, right? Then you can take the very small area, right? You have only small area. That paper have very small area, no, right? Right, small space. Then normally that question minimum, not a minimum, maximum 7, right? Maximum 7 lines. That question should be covered, right? Right. Now next we are trying to next section, right? Okay.